Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add contact in Viber. So it's very simple. First of all, you just have to download Viber from Play Store, or if you are using iOS, then you just have to download it from App Store. So I have downloaded my Viber from Play Store as I have been using Android mobile. So here it comes. So now you just need to click on the more, which is in the bottom right corner. Just click on this. Right after that, you can see add contacts. Just click on this. And here you can just add your contact number and continue. So here is the contact number that I have added in my Viber. In this way, you can just add contact in Viber in easy way. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do comment down below for more contents. Thank you.